Yeah, so here's the monitor. It's an LG monitor, and as you can see, if I lift this up, it's extremely thin. Yeah, that is hooked up to a control board. This thing here, which has got the aerial HDMI, you can plug a PC in, USB. But the USB, I'm using that to power the Amazon Fire TV stick. The speakers here, which I took out an old Logitech speaker, but I'm going to remove this black piece. I just screwed them in for now just to keep it together. But I'm going to remove those, and those will be facing in the top of the nice black little thin box I'm going to build. And all of this stuff is going to go inside, and the speakers will be facing upwards. And I've got some black gloss grills that are going to cover the top. And also it comes with a remote control, obviously, because you can use it as a proper TV to receive, TV channels, whatever. But yeah, and obviously being having a Fire TV stick, you can control it with the Echo. Alexa, open Daredevil on Netflix.
Here's what I found.
So you can do voice control as well. So once that's hung up on the wall, it's going to look like really nice, nice slimline. You won't be able to get flatter than that when you're talking about, televisions. Open London transport status.
Here's London transport status.
Alexa, open weather on Fire TV.
Getting weather from Fire TV.
I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So in that clip there, you saw that I showed you what was needed. So as you know, the control boards on eBay for your monitor, they're only about £20, £25, so they can be picked up really cheap. And as I explained before, if you have an old laptop that's got a working screen, just take the screen out, okay? Because you can still recycle those and use those as normal and put them to good use. I do actually have a big TV, but it's only when I like to relax at night time, watch a bit of Netflix or watch a movie or something like that. I wanted to be able to use a small TV, and I didn't want to waste it. And as you can see, the monitor itself is extremely thin. How it sits on the wall, it's like literally paper thin, and that's how all monitors are inside laptops. So you can have a nice wallpaper looking TV for next to nothing. What I didn't show you in that clip was how I made that speaker. So this is just a piece of foam which I got from IKEA. They use these to hold up the boxes at the front, like a bit of storage to say it doesn't dent the boxes. And I asked them and they just gave me a piece, and it's really strong. So you can just cut the piece that you want in whatever shape you want, cut your speaker holes out, and then just insert your speakers, run the wires through, and then just stick all your stuff in the back. The black part of the speaker, the cloth, is actually an old scarf which I wore. It was too itchy, so I just cut a piece off of that and then glued it all inside. You can use whatever you want, hot glue or adhesive spray glue, whatever you like. I just used adhesive spray glue and then touched it up with hot glue in the corners to keep it in. The silver strip that you can see along the speaker and the silver strip that goes along the bottom of the monitor, those are car trim I got from eBay, which cost me I think £3. And these little rings in the front, I just put a hole in, dug a hole out, and then I put those 3 rings in. Those are like quite long tubes, about 1 inch long. They are actually plumber's tubes. You put them in pipes, and then you connect the pipe, and it keeps it strong, keeps the pipe strong on the joint. But you can obviously use whatever you want, any other ideas. And again, those are only a couple of quid as well. So I think I'm in about £26 for this build. And as you saw before, you can see that actually I haven't played that. I'll put this bit on now, so you can see I can control it with my Amazon Echo Dot. I can control it with the speaker. But the good thing about the Echo Dot, the Fire TV that I've got connected to this with the voice remote, you can actually use it to control your other devices in your house as well. So it's a fully functioning flat wallpaper TV which you can just have by the side of your bed. And finally, if you've got any smart plugs, you can connect this to a smart plug and do things like Alexa, turn off bed TV.
Okay.
And then you can see my bed TV is turned off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.